Hello everyone, I am so excited. Okay, I opened a little, most of it, like to here, so it's easier to open, but here we are. Oh, okay, so this is Coffee Monsters Co. Anniversary sale. This is so nice. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay, I am so excited. Thank you, Cynthia. Okay, so I got all the tiers. Oof. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got the 2 washi. I actually told myself I wasn't gonna get it. I don't know why. I think just like trigger happy, like, oh, get it, and then after I pay, I'm like, how come it's so much? And oh, that's why. Okay, I got the blob. Ooh, I got the blob. It is heavy. Oh, kind of stuck. Oh, and it's velvety here, so it won't scratch your tabletop. ASMR. Wow. Wow, this is got quite the weight. This guy is me after Christmas. Okay, I am okay, let's just look at this in the Pelikan. Yes, my Pelikan, like, what's it called? The clip, it broke off. So it's always rolling around, and now it won't. Look at this. Yay. Oh, okay. Let's just take a look at all these drawings, these little gray pencil drawings. You are great. Chatting. Rock 101, no space or talking. It's so random. So many things to look at. Weight trackers. Whoops. Weight trackers. I love this, but not enough writing space. So many things here. This is so cool. Okay. So if I remember correctly, it was, I think, $125 Canadian before tax, after discounts, for all the tiers, freebie tiers, which are, let's see, this is definitely, this is staticky. See, 9-year freebie. This is washi. Oh, that's so cool. We get a coffee bean. Okay, and then chapter 3, 2025. So it's a March freebie. Oh, I like that. I feel like I need this. Hee. Oh, you know what? That was me. We have this craft paper. I love stationery. I love stickers. I wonder, like, I've been ordering for so many years. I never bothered to check if I have duplicates. I love pens and inks. I love notebooks. I love pens and I love washi. Okay, now, ooh, it's a journaling card. Ooh, keep creating. Hello. What kind of cat should you never trust? Cheetah. Ah, this is so cute. I think my favorite is still the stationary valley that looks like it's Stardew Valley. Okay. So this is my order. This is design 2. This matches the, the monthly themes. So I didn't get one because, you know, January, February, March, it's done. So I got April. This one is April, May, June. Then this one is July, August, September. And then the last one is October, November, and December. So this one is genre emojis for the book genres, but I use this for filming, so I will use this one today to mark my filming today. Yay stickers. I use these to mark like playing board games with my family. Then research. This is awesome. Ooh, so these ones are new. The research is new. A long list is new. Post. Well, I got 2 of these. Oh, this one is new. I have like a hair appointment one that's like all bigger emojis, but I really like this one. Okay, gathering of emojis. After I made my order, I realized that I should have also gotten a 3. Oh wait, I can just cut this in half and I'll have 3. Oh, smart me. Okay, so I have a 4, 5, and a ton for all the family gatherings. If you notice, I don't really mention friends because I don't really have any. Who needs friends when you got emojis? Spring emoji heads. I love this. Fresh bouquet. Very much needed because now that I have a what is it called? A Costco card. I always get my flowers from Costco. Okay, organize. Yes, I just renovate. I don't know, like reorganized my apartment space, so I now have an office, and this comes in very handy. Perfect timing with my shopping bag because I just finished my last like shopping haul and I was in need, but now I have it. I have my noodles, and I realized I forgot rice. Clean. Yes, one of my New Year's resolutions is I'm going to be cleaning more. Weightlifting, that is another New Year's resolution. To lift more weights. I am loving it. I have my bubble tea, which is, this is why I need to lift weights to fuel my bubble tea. You know, if I don't go gym, I can't afford bubble tea. Ooh, I love, now look at all these tiny icons. That's what I need. I have found this is a thing I needed that I never knew I needed. Meals. I bought this? Wait, how come I have so many moons? I don't remember ordering this. I better tell her. I need to double check. I don't think I ordered this. Or they grabbed the wrong one. Okay. But I do use these. I use them to mark down when I go to sleep. But I don't nap this much. They will get used. Okay, nail polish. Okay, so that's also a what is it called? New Year's resolution that I made. Makeup. That's another New Year's resolution. Like, I have 150, 160 bottles of nail polish, and if I don't start using them, they're just gonna go dry. Then I have my skincare. Look at the serums, the moisturizers. Okay, now if you watch my journaling things, you will notice that I always use a pencil, the pencil one, but now Helen made a fountain pen, so this is going to be my new journaling tiny icon. The star I use to mark down when I play Stardew Valley. This is for my 10,000 steps every day, which is also a New Year's resolution. More steps, lots of stepping. And train for when I obviously take the train. And then this is for, like, yes, it says romance, but I use it like I teach. So sometimes students bring me some little gifts or drawing, or like they would share like a lollipop. Well, they wouldn't share the lollipop they're eating, but like say if they have lollipops, they would bring one for me. And those, you know, to mark down those little gifts. So to remind myself to be grateful. Wow. There we have it. I think this was like $200. So thank you so much for spending time with me. And I hope you enjoyed and it gave you a little bit of inspiration what to, I don't know, use these stickers for. And if you ordered something, write down in the comments below what you ordered, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.